Look at the reflection in the camera. So, here we are.
Here we are. After 23 hours in transit.
We're in the land of bottomless snow. There it is, right there.
That's it?
Yeah.
That looks spooky. From here, it looks like you're jumping off a cliff.
It's a good test run.
Dude,
That would be huge.
I mean, if there's enough powder. But wait till we get some dumps. And if there's enough, just fucking send it.
All right, lead us. Take me to your leader. You okay?
So, this is Bob. He's our leader. Fuck.
Oh my giddy aunt.
I don't want to do this. I don't want it.
Dude, it's such a good landing. Look, the only way you're gonna do it is by doing it.
I know.
Hey! So, Justin, do you think you're prepared for this drop?
Are we thinking about the big one?
Yeah.
No. No, I'm not. But I'm gonna hit it anyway.
You did the same thing I did. Oh yeah. Oh.
Dude, I think I caught that. That was amazing.
Your legs tired?
Yeah. Yeah, this is taking a lot of work to skiing.
Oh man, you just gotta bowl it, man. Do a flip.
Just do a flip.
Yeah. Oh yeah, go.
What, just down? That's not even a drop.
No, it's not.
Now that,
Ooh, go for it.
man, that's quite the drop.
You got it, dude.